What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Vechain and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, and I mean, as you can see, things still well on track, aren't they? Obviously, so many people get caught up in the short term, but we do always like to give you this long-term perspective to start with, because it's pretty clear that, Vechain is on a journey right now, isn't it? And it's heading upwards. It's pretty obvious that we're still holding all kinds of key levels of support. We've pretty much touched the bottom of our channel here, just like we have here, here, and here. And every single time that we've done this, we've had, a move to the upside, haven't we? Pretty clear here when we got really oversold in March, just like we got really oversold here and really oversold here, that we're getting bounces, aren't we? And we're still in an uptrend. There's no signs of a bear market, no matter how many people on Twitter will scream at you, or in the YouTube's comment section saying we're in a bear market. It's pretty clear that, the evidence suggests otherwise. And, it's not like we're saying that a bear market won't happen, and it's not like we're saying that a bear market can't happen. But currently, there's no evidence of a bear market, is what we're saying. And, with Bitcoin reversing from 29k to 40k, things are looking like that potential reversal could be in the market for that 5th wave up, basically. So we've got our 1, 2, 3, 4... and then potentially that 5th wave, that's going to take us to those price targets everyone's looking for, maybe that $1 level. And you can see, this is well within the means of possibility when you look at our fib retracements. Obviously, we've drawn our fib in here. The previous all-time high from the last bull market adjusted for the new tokenomics was around 8 cents. So we've essentially drawn our 8-cent level in here. We've dragged it to the bottom, top to bottom like this. And you can see, we're looking at some nice levels, aren't we? And that $1 level pretty much, we're in fairly decent confluence there with that 161 extension, which is, very achievable. Obviously we don't think we're probably going to reach this 227 extension at around $12, because that would be truly ridiculous for Vechain to do that. I mean, that's essentially like 100x from the current price, which is, outrageous considering the amount of market cap that Vechain does have. But, keeping things in perspective, everything's going completely fine, isn't it? We've obviously come down, got oversold. Really oversold here. We're breaking out of resistances, back testing them as support again. And then, we're breaking out of these EMAs, aren't we? Just like most altcoins right now. We've come up, we've broken out of our 20, and now we're consolidating in between the 20 and the 55, which in our opinion, that's super bullish. And that continuation to the upside, it's probably coming pretty damn soon, isn't it? And we're feeling pretty damn good about the market in general. Obviously, Bitcoin right now is heavily leading the market, so a quick look at what Bitcoin's doing will show us probably what's going to happen here. And obviously, as you can see, we are starting to run into a lot of resistance up here at the top of this, top of one of these range highs here around 40k. Obviously, the total range high here is at around 43k, which we've actually drawn in here. Which, if we break out of 43k and backtest, I mean, the next level up is 50k. So that would be a very, nice to see. But obviously, this big bullish divergence we've been talking about, ad nauseum for essentially the last 2 months has finally played out, despite, everyone in the comment section on a lot of videos basically saying that it's complete nonsense, especially on TikTok. The TikTok crowd is a tough crowd, isn't it? But you can see quite clearly that this is played out pretty much to perfection here. And we have seen a massive reversal, basically breaking out of, not only this downtrend on the RSI, but also this downtrend on the price action, with the more local RSI forming this huge bullish divergence. And, this has played out absolutely to perfection, hasn't it? Everyone's saying we're in a bear market once we went below 30k. But, in the space of a day, absolutely reversed out of there. Huge short squeeze to the upside. And we came up and we're hitting the top of the range now. So do anticipate a potential pullback, which we do think is likely. to retest these EMAs as support. Or this level here around 36k, we do think is a very strong support as well. Basically doing this A, B, C reversal, and we'll most likely come up and hopefully touch the top of that range there and maybe even break through it. We could do something like this where we just start reversing out of here on a more macro time scale over the next month or so. So, you know, things going pretty damn well, aren't they, right now for Bitcoin? And, you know, if Bitcoin does start to break out, it may have a little retracement, obviously coming back down, retesting some of these lows, and then starting to move up for Vechain as well, because Vechain's obviously following Bitcoin's price action pretty damn closely. But, you know, I don't know how anyone's saying we're in a bear market when, you know, we're breaking out of resistance, retesting as support, breaking out of resistance here. This resistance has been, you know, in place ever since we hit the all-time high. We've got this descending wedge here, which is a bullish reversal pattern. You usually come back to where you formed it, which is up here, you know, at around 22, 23 cents. Things looking pretty damn nice, to be honest. I mean, a quick check of the weekly time frame, you can see we're holding the 55 EMA as support, which is very, very bullish. And, you know, one pump for Bitcoin and we're back above the 20 and we're off to the races, aren't we? So things looking great for Vechain. Really not seeing that many things wrong here. Obviously, every time we've hit the bottom of this channel, you can see we've pretty much touched the bottom here and, you know, reversing out of there because we are in a bull market. And until we start seeing real signs that we're not, this is what we'll continue to tell you, because we do strongly think that this is the case. And I mean, we could potentially be forming some kind of a bull pennant here, couldn't we? This kind of symmetrical triangle formation. We're basically, you know, in a bullish reversal trend here. We've come up, coiled, come up. Now we're coiling again under this previous resistance here. And, you know, if we do get that breakout to the upside for Bitcoin, we could be looking at, you know, at least this 9.5 cent, maybe these 10 cent levels for Vechain. So, but do anticipate with Bitcoin being so overextended right now that we could potentially be looking at a retracement first, which would be totally healthy before that move to the upside, because obviously you can't just, let's just take a quick look at Bitcoin again here. You basically can't just run up into resistance like this off a massive run up and probably just continue to break through resistances and just continue to go up like this, because you probably do need to back test a bit more thoroughly some of these levels here before we do see that break to the upside. But, you know, we're showing a lot of strength right now, aren't we? And we do think with Vechain as well, if we do see ourselves breaking out of this 9 cent level, do anticipate that 9.5 cent or potentially that 10 cent level as your next target. And then obviously, as we said, in the long term, we do strongly believe that Vechain has the potential here to be hitting some of these fib levels, coming up to around this 40 cent level as our first target, and then maybe even up to this, you know, 90 cent level for here for our second fib target, and, you know, that $1 price target that everyone's looking for. That's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.